Hey guys, in this video you are going to know answers of this. Why do we see those bubble kind of structures inside the every note of rupees 2000 note? Why we shut down computer before doing power off? Why scientists think that without Jupiter life was not possible on earth? What happens if you put a piece of pineapple in your mouth? Which is the world's first laptop? The tallest mountain in our solar system is Olympic Mons. It is located on Mars and is 3 times more than Mount Everest. If you put a piece of pineapple somewhere in your mouth, it will start eating you. It has a protein named bromelain that degrades you. But don't worry, once you swallow the pineapple, the acids in your stomach destroy the enzymes. Do you see those bubble kind of structures inside the every note of rupees 2000 note? Counting the number of bubbles in each region, we get 9, 11 and 16, which is 9, 11, 16. So this was date when 2000 notes was available for the first time. 100 years ago, everyone owned a horse and only the rich owned cars. At present, everyone has cars but only the rich own horses. The most important reason to shut down your computer is to solve system issues. When computers stay on for extended periods of time, they begin to act strange or little bugs happen. Most likely at this point, you would just restart your computer and problem solved. Well, that's because processes have been stuck open or eating RAM. By shutting down your computer, you are giving it a chance to clear everything and have a fresh start. Regularly shutting down your computer helps keep those issues from arising. For example, imagine never going to sleep for weeks straight. What would that do to your body and mind? That's what happened to the processor, RAM and graphics card that are all constantly running by never shutting off your computer. This puts a lot of stress on the components and shorten their life cycle. Another reason to regularly shut down your computer is to save energy. Not only Earth rotates as it orbits to the Sun, but the Sun itself also rotates at the rate of once every 25 to 35 days. World's first laptop, Osborne 1, invented by Adam Osborne in 1981 and had just 64 KB RAM. Many scientists think that without Jupiter life was not possible on Earth because the giant of our solar system exerts such strong gravity that it pulls many comets and asteroids that might have impacted on Earth. Thanks to our giant Jupiter planet. Once Bill Gates in a restaurant, after eating, he gave $5 to waiter as a tip. The waiter had a strange feeling on his face after the tip. Bill Gates realized and asked what happened. Waiter replied, I am just amazed because on the same table your daughter gave tip of $500 and you, her father, the richest man in the world, gave just $5. Bill Gates smiled and replied, she is the daughter of world's richest man, but I am the son of a woodcutter. Here the moral is, never forget your past. It's your best teacher. The sentence, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, uses every alphabet. Observe once. It took the creator of Rubik's Cube, Erno Rubik, more than 1 month to solve the cube after he created it. The current world record is 3.47 seconds. Think how the world is fast.